Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Alistair here. WIZBALL83, getting ready just to introduce you guys to another little unboxing. Yeah, so this little beastie here, the Dave Smith Instruments Evolver, it's the keyboard version. It is also the potentiometer version, the potentiometer edition, which you'll see there. Now that means that it has knobs. So I'm going to turn to my trusty opener here and get started. So I'm very excited about getting this one open, as it's a fantastic machine, and I've been really looking forward to it for some time. As all of the WIZBALL83 viewers will know, I'm a massive Dave Smith Instruments fan. You know, one of my all-time heroes, and you all know what a synthesizer nut I am. Now, okay, now just like to give a quick shout out to the eBay seller who I purchased this off. He's done a fantastic job of packaging here. A lot of tape has gone into this, and a lot of time by the looks of it. So we're gonna make sure that my shiny new instrument is nice and safe. Okay, fantastic. We've got that open now. Excellent. That's one corner. Now, you'll notice there is the fantastic Dave Smith Instruments logo there, as well as the Evolver logo. Big fan of that one. I think it's, you know, a modern classic, basically. Okay, so this corner here has also got a small other marking there to indicate that it is in fact a DSI Evolver. DSI obviously standing for Dave Smith Instruments. Okay, let's flip the lid. Alright, so fantastic box here. That's sort of, I would say, I mean, it's just single thickness corrugated cardboard, but very rigid, very good protection, high level of protection there. And you know, this baby is not getting any dings or scratches or unwanted nasties. Okay, outer flaps initiate. Excellent, and now we get our first glimpse of the beast. First of all, I should point out we've appear to have the power supply here. Interestingly enough, wrapped in what appears to be a Chuck's cloth. Interesting, you know, wouldn't have been my first thought, but seems to do the job, so pop that to one side. And just going to reinitiate that side panel. There's a nice late summer breeze coming through my window at the moment, so that's adding a little bit of an extra dimension here. And okay, I might have to use both hands here to pluck it from its enclosure. So we appear to have, in the depths of the box, one more piece of foam there. Appears to be sort of a light mint green. I don't know how well that's going to show up. YouTube's video encoding algorithms. And another Chuck's cloth, which appears to have the I can't really see. That is the operator's manual in there, the owner's manual. So another Chuck's cloth protecting that beauty, just making sure it's nice and safe and sound. So enough with the box. Put that to one side, and there it is. So we've got more of the protective foam on either end, delicately hugging the gorgeous wooden cheeks of the synthesizer. So left one off, and right, and the synthesizer does appear to be unsealed, but it's original packaging. And that's our first breath of freshly synthesized air. Okay, time to well, that sounds almost as good as the machine itself, doesn't it? So this is the Evolver potentiometer edition. So fantastic. We've got over to the left here some buttons. Up the top here we've got some knobs, more knobs and some buttons to the side. You press in, the knobs turn. So yeah. To the right we'll notice a couple more knobs, both knobs going into a button and some knobs. Now across from here you'll notice follow the yellow brick road, or the yellow arrows. We have some more knobs, and above, I mean we can follow that all the way across. Button, knob, 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 button, 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 knob, 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 and finally into the master knob. Now above, more buttons, some knobs, a button in the middle, 4 buttons to the side, and now, finally, the screen, and some buttons, and some knobs. These are the MISC knobs. Yeah, you'll notice they're there. Further 4 buttons, single button, 3 knobs. Excellent. And down the bottom, we have got the wheels. Great reaction there, great sort of, I would call it quite a sort of brisk response. And gorgeous keyboard. I like to call it a keypad, because I feel that's a bit more representative. And all you WIZBALL83 viewers will know how particular I am about my terminology. So
there you have it, the Dave Smith Instruments Evolver Potentiometer Edition. Fantastic little beast, and I'm very happy to be adding this one to the stable. Till next time, WIZBALL83, Alistair here, I'm out.